Hey everyone, it's Akos here from ATech Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, we are a different environment to test the Evercross EV10K Pro electric scooter, how it can handle daily life, how is the battery, everything. But first, I have to tell you, we are beside a waterfall, so sorry for the environmental noise. Guys, let's get into it and see if it's worth your money or not. It's worth it, absolutely. I can already say, guys, this thing is already mind-blowing. You will see in the video. Let's get into it. So first things first, guys, let's get back to home and let's see the unboxing. So out of the box you get the scooter, charger, toolkit and manual. It comes mostly assembled. You just attach the handlebars, tighten everything up and you're ready to go. Takes only a few minutes, no stress. Alright, now let's speak about what's actually powering this thing. First up, it's running a 500 watt brushless motor. And in real life that means smooth acceleration and enough power to daily riding. It doesn't feel weak and it doesn't feel aggressive either. It's just nicely balanced. Battery wise, you're getting a 36 volt 11.4 amp hour lithium battery, which gives you up to around 35 kilometers of range in ideal conditions. Realistically, depending on how you ride, around 28 to 32 kilometers is very achievable. Top speed is about 25 kilometers per hour, which is perfect for UK use and feels comfortable and controlled. Now, up here the handlebars, you've got a clear LED display and I actually like this one. It shows you your current speed, battery level, riding mode and system status. It's bright, easy to read even in daylight as you can see, and you don't need to guess what's going on while you're riding. Then you've got the 10-inch honeycomb solid tires with dual suspension. Normally, solid tires feel harsh, but here the suspension really helps. Even on rough roads, it stays comfortable. It supports riders up to 150 kilos, so it feels solid and stable under you. For braking, you've got a rear disc brake plus electronic ABS braking system, which gives you controlled and confident stopping. And top of that, you've got the Bluetooth app support, cruise control and ride stats, so feels modern, not basic. Overall, this is a very well balanced electric scooter for a daily life. And now let's talk about how it feels in real life. On normal roads and part paths like this, it feels very stable. The deck is wide, the handlebars feel strong, and at around 20 to 25 km per hour, you feel confident. Even on cracked pavement or slightly rough surfaces, the suspension helps a lot. Acceleration is smooth, no sudden jerks. Braking feels predictable and safe even when the surface isn't perfect. For everyday riding, it's easy and comfortable to control. Now let's speak about the daily use and the practicality. For commuting, this is honestly ideal. The speed is enough, the range is enough, charging takes around 5 to 6 hours, but it's alright. The folding mechanism feels strong and easy to use. The display is bright and clear, speed, battery mode, everything you need. It's simple, practical and easy to live with. And now let's be honest about the range. If you ride calmly on flat roads, you can get close to the advertised number, which is 30-35 kilometers. If you ride aggressively, it will drop. But that's normal. But for this battery size, the range feels fair and realistic. So no fake numbers, it can deliver what they advertise. Alright, now let's speak about the pros and the cons. So first, what do I actually like about it? First, comfort. For solid tires, it's really good. The suspension does a great job. Second, the motor. 500 watts is perfect for daily riding. It feels consistent and reliable. Build quality is solid. Nothing rattles, nothing feels cheap. I also like the up and cruise control. Once you use them, they're actually useful. And the fact that it works well on different road conditions, it's a big plus. And now the downsides, it's not a speed monster. If you want crazy speed, this isn't it. And the solid tires will never feel as soft as air tires, and the range depends on how you ride. But honestly, these are normal compromises, so nothing major. Alright, let's wrap up, guys. I think this is one of those scooters that just makes sense. It's not trying to be extreme. It's not trying to impress with crazy numbers. It focuses on being comfortable, reliable and easy to use. You can commute with it, you can ride casually, you can use it every day. The motor is strong enough, the range is realistic and the build quality feels solid. and the features actually help. Yes, it has limits like the tire and the range, but most of the people it doesn't matter. So if you're looking for a practical electric scooter that you can trust, this is definitely worth considering. And of course, a huge thanks to Evercross to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. It was a pleasure to use it, and I can say, guys, 100% recommended this product. I will put down the links down below in the comment section so you can check it for yourself. So thank you guys for watching this video. It was Akos from ATech Flow. It was a nature. It was a scooter from Evercross. You know the rest of the stuff, like, subscribe, blah blah blah. Put the bell if you want, if not, then bye. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.